So I have merged back onto the National Highway 16. Remember this junction, you have to take a left. So this is the famous Kathijodi river. See, the roads are not proper, the roads are not even. This is the famous Mahanadi river. 10 kilometers after Bhadrak, the road has deteriorated. Kolkata is 245. Who keeps a bumper in the middle of a highway? I'm talking about this kind of bouncy roads. We have officially entered West Bengal. This is the famous Vidyasagar Setu. Good morning from Bhubaneswar. So today's date is 29th of September 2024 and the time right now is 6:45 in the morning, and as you can see I'm almost all set. This tank bag and some luggages are there, it will go down. I'm also decked up, completely ready. So today's distance will be around 450 kilometers. According to Google Maps, it will take around 8 hours 45 minutes, approximately 9 hours. Let's see how much time does it take for us to complete that last leg. So without wasting much time, let's go down, mount all these luggages and then leave. I have to refill because I have only 1 bar left. Let's go down and I'll directly meet you on the road. So I'm all set now. As you can see, the time is 7:08 in the morning and today's odo is 34,105. Let me make the trip 10. I'm not wearing my gloves yet because, like I said, I need to refill. Jai Jagannath, Jai Ma Durga, Om Namah Shivaya. Let's go. So we have to take a U-turn from here. Full 101.06. So cheap. $10.05, 1015.65. Refueling done. Let's roll. So my first stop will be Cuttack. Cuttack is around 23 kilometers from here, and I'll directly touch the National Highway 16, 1 kilometer. Then we have to take a right, and then we'll touch the National Highway. So I have merged back onto the National Highway 16, and it's very hot and humid. It's not hot, but it's very humid. Like when I was refueling, I was completely drenched in sweat. It will be like this because the weather is kind of like similar in Kolkata as well as in Bhubaneswar. It's kind of humid right now. Hopefully there are not too many diversions like the last time. I know there is a lot of work going on right now in NH16, but I hope that there are not too many. Kolkata 416, Balasore 175 kilometers. Remember this junction, you have to take a left. Like it's like what, 2 kilometers before Cuttack, but you have to take a left, don't go straight. So this is the famous Kathijodi river. The last time I had seen it, there was like not this much of water, but due to the rainy season it's completely full now. So after this we will see Mahanadi river. Okay, last time I did a mistake. I did not take this bridge. Instead I went below that bridge. That's why I had encountered a lot of traffic there, because it's completely near the railway station, as you can see the railway line, and it was full of traffic. I had lost around 15-20 minutes there itself. I've already crossed Cuttack. Our next stop will be Panikholi, and after Panikholi it will be Bhadrak. So Bhadrak is around what, 90 odd kilometers from here. Road update is, it is much better as compared to the last time. Until this much the roads are much better and I could easily cruise 100. In between there will be traffic because we are close to the city, but in a long stretch I can at least maintain 100. So this is the famous Mahanadi river. So much of water, man, so much of water. By the way, that is the railway track. Now if you see, it is 70% under the water in the pillars. so cool. It's much colder as compared to the rest of the places. So green. Okay, so we have a toll coming up, the first toll of the day. What is the toll name? It's not written. It's about 20 kilometers after Cuttack. So we have crossed the first toll plaza of the day. Let's continue. This is the Durga Puja Pandal. So another diversion. I guess this is the third diversion till now. The last 40 kilometers, it was wonderful. Excellent road. Kolkata 374, Kharagpur 277 and Balasore 133. So toll road starts. Hopefully this stretch also here onwards will be as good as the last one. So Durga Puja is around the corner and Kashful. It looks surreal. Really, it looks surreal. Okay, a quick update. The time right now is 8:13 in the morning. It's almost 8:15 and it's been almost an hour since I've started. Till now I have done around 80 kilometers and yeah, it's pretty good. 1 hour 80 kilometers. Let's see how much time does it take. There is no rush for me to reach Kolkata. I can reach any time, but I just want to avoid the traffic. So we have reached Panikholi already and Bhadrak is the next stop, and Bhadrak is around 34 kilometers from here. After Bhadrak it's Balasore, then Jaleshwar, then Belda, then Kharagpur, Kolaghat and Kolkata. So between Jaleshwar and Belda, it is the West Bengal Orissa border. So what I'll do, I'll refuel before entering West Bengal because the price is much cheaper as compared to West Bengal. The petrol price. Before exiting Orissa and entering West Bengal, there is a petrol pump, Indian Oil petrol pump. That is the place from where every time, whenever I do this route, I refuel it from that petrol pump itself. So I'm planning to do the same this time. Okay, when you are traveling through this route, one thing you notice, you can see the roads are not proper. The roads are not even. These are uneven just because of this truck tire marks. So be very careful if you are riding a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler. Be very careful with this. So another toll coming up. I don't think any name is written. So what I'll do, if I get the name, then I'll add it in the screen below. This was the second toll of the day. So I'll just give you an update. The time right now is 8:30 in the morning and we have done around 110 kilometers. The road is good, but it's kind of uneven. So most of the time we have to ride in the third lane. Yeah, so let's continue the journey. And Bhadrak is another 20 kilometers. So a quick update. Right now we have already crossed Bhadrak. In less than 1 hour 45 minutes I reached Bhadrak from Bhubaneswar. So till now we have done a distance. Till now we have done around 135 kilometers approximately. Till Bhadrak there were around 2-3 diversions till now, but the roads were actually good. And some of the roads are like uneven, but you can easily use a third lane. So next stop is Balasore. Balasore is around 60 kilometers from here. Then Jaleshwar, and then we exit Orissa and enter West Bengal. Okay, so 10 kilometers after Bhadrak, the road has deteriorated. The road is like this, like bumpy, very bumpy. You can see it's broken in somewhere. You cannot do 100, 120, but I think you can easily maintain around 80, 70, 80. People is coming from anywhere, from left, right, they're crossing the roads all of a sudden. So these things happen in this particular part, like after Bhadrak. So this is another toll which doesn't have any name. Maybe third or fourth toll. It doesn't have any name, and all of a sudden the toll came. I mean, I was not even aware. The last milestone that I seen, that was around 10 kilometers back, 110, 120, and after that there is not even a single milestone. The time right now is 9:35, and we have covered approximately 190 kilometers. 190 in 2.5 hours, not bad. I'm planning to take a break after I complete Bhadrak, or after I cross Bhadrak. I have to find a place and I'll take a break for some time. Another bumper in the middle of a highway. Who keeps a bumper in the middle of a highway? Sorry if I sound like frustrated, but actually I am. Finally a milestone board, but I am not able to say anything. Kharagpur 115, Kolkata is 245. The time is 9:50. It's almost 10 in the morning, and we have done around 220 kilometers. So far so good. The roads, I think it's not that bad now. 101.10, so cheap, man. 8 liter, 808.80. Feeling. Let's see till how much can I continue. So Kharagpur is 95 kilometers and Kolkata is 225 kilometers from here. In another 24 kilometers we have the Odisha and West Bengal border. So after that we'll enter West Bengal, the last state of the journey. See, I'm talking about this kind of bouncy roads. I love this stretch of the road, like greenery both sides, in between there is a road. Kolkata is 214, Raiganj, Kharagpur is 85. Okay, so we have another toll coming up. Okay, no name is written. The name is not written. I think in another 1 kilometer we'll have the border. This is the Odisha West Bengal border. Naka check post. Daton police station. So now we have officially entered West Bengal. I have already done this, but this time it's nothing different. After a long time I am seeing something written in Bengali. Okay, the states that I have covered is Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, then Odisha, then West Bengal. 5 states, 3 days ride. So I'll just give you the update. The time is 10:46 in the morning and I have done approximately 260 kilometers till now. It's so beautiful. Belda is another 13 kilometers. Kolkata 174, Kharagpur 44. 44 is inside the city, but it won't be, for me, I think it will be around 35-ish. So far so good. Okay, so I'll give an update. The time is 11 and we have covered approximately 285 kilometers. So this is the emergency runway that I was talking about. I guess on the first day I had shown you this emergency runway. You can see these are the markings for landing of an aircraft. So basically this is used for emergency aircraft landing. This is after Belda. I mean, you can say technically it's Belda. And during landing what they do, they remove all these boulders and sandbags or whatever it is. They remove all these things. Just a good to know stuff. So we have another toll plaza. I don't remember the number of the toll plaza. This is Rampura toll plaza. So a quick update. The time is 11:20 in the morning and we have covered approximately 310 kilometers and Kharagpur is another 15 kilometers from here. I started from Bhubaneswar. So in between I had stopped for a fuel break and then riding continuously since then. 310 kilometers non-stop. So from Bhubaneswar till West Bengal border it is non-stop. Looking at all the trucks parked like this, you have probably guessed that Kharagpur is right in front of us. So Kharagpur is just only 4 kilometers. After Kharagpur it's Kolaghat and then it's home, the final destination. So here the toll road ends and here we have reached Kharagpur. So we have taken a right. So this is the same highway in 816 nothing different. And here starts another toll road. Kolkata is around 130 kilometers from here. So 3:30 done. 330 kilometers, time is 11:30 in the morning. 330 kilometers done in 4.5 hours. This is Devera toll plaza. The toll number count must be reflecting it on your screen, because I have genuinely forgotten what is the actual count. Let's continue. So Kolkata is around 37 more kilometers. So we have almost reached Kolkata, and here it is Sherry Punjab on the left hand side. The time right now is 12:05 and we have done 385 kilometers. 5 hours, 385 kilometers. That is too much. So I'm leaving right now. The time is 12:42. I took a half an hour break. For my home it's around 70 more kilometers. It shows it will take around 1 hour 48 minutes. That's too much. I think there will be traffic because I have to go through the city. This is the famous Kolkata bridge, and the river is Rupnarayan river. You can see a lot of water. It's been raining in Kolkata since the past 4-5 days. This is the second last toll plaza of our journey. This is Dhulagad toll plaza. For my home it's showing approximately 30 kilometers. ETA is 2:15. I had expected it will rain, as there was some news of continuous rain for the past 3-4 days, and now it's very hot and humid. You have to take this left, the left towards Satragachi, if you want to go towards Howrah and all, and if you go straight it will go towards Delhi and Kolkata airport. There will be little bit of traffic here as well as in Satragachi, and let's see how much time does it take. Though it's a Sunday afternoon, but since it's Durga Puja, there will be traffic. So this is the last and the final toll plaza of the day. This is Vidyasagar Setu toll plaza. I was stuck in traffic for the last half an hour. Some work is going on, and that's why it was too much of traffic, too much. This is the famous Vidyasagar Setu. Some cool breeze finally. So much of water. Joy Ganga. A quick update. So I'm almost home. It will take around hardly 15-20 minutes. So if you like this series, do please like the video, share this video with your friends who are planning to do a Bangalore to Kolkata ride anytime soon, and please do subscribe to my channel. Till then, goodbye, take care.
বারবার করে জিজ্ঞেস করছি বাইকে আসবি নাকি